What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, it's SD, and I'm back with another video. My sister trying to blow us up. Getting ready. We finna go to Florida. We finally get to the motherfucking airport. My dad got us late, all type of shit. It's 6:04. My freaking flight leave at 6:52. Hi, Boosty Butts. We made it to the airport. Let me tell you, my dad also made us late. We got here at 6 o'clock. Our flight leave at 6:52. But our flight delayed to 7:26, so we good. We good. We made some good time, and I'm for real. But came with my sisters. We going to Florida, but our stuff got delayed, so now we have to wait. We're playing the waiting game right now. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we make it. Y'all, we going to the... I'm excited. I'm so excited, and I got Starbucks. And y'all know Starbucks always make me happy.
I'm not doing it till we fly. Until we like.
So we on the plane. We on the motherfucking plane, and it's snug as fuck. And this is why we do not fly Spirits. But look, it's okay though because this is last minute. So she got her some Starbucks. We got us some Starbucks. And this is hella motherfuckers on this motherfucking plane. Look at outside.
Yes, I say I'm gonna wait.
I'm fine. Yeah, y'all, I'm nervous. Honestly.
What's your first flight?
My first ever flight from 2024. I'm gonna be 24 years old. And my first flight was to Florida, Tampa. Tampa, Florida. Y'all, I'm nervous. Ready to take off. So we finally made it to the hotel. We're at where we at?
They can't know yet.
We don't know what it's called. But we outside tonight, baby. We outside, okay?
Made it.
Y'all, so we finally in the hotel, and this motherfucker is nice. Okay, let me tell you something. Look at the damn. Look at this. Tell me they ain't eat it up and down. I don't know what it is. But she ate. The details of everything is really nice. Everything is really nice. We are at Alba in Tampa. I'm really feeling the vibe. I ain't gonna lie to you. My sister's them right there. Her phone died. She ain't got the footage. But we gonna get her together when she plug it up. We gonna come back down here. Not today though. Tomorrow when we fresh and pretty. So, like, everything is just so fucking adorable. Everything is really cute. Look at they setup. Look at the vibe. Is it not giving a vibe? It's giving a vibe. So, I'm gonna stay tuned and show y'all the bedroom. You see what the the room looking like. It's a vibe all the time.
Bye.
It's a vibe. Look me in my eyes. Some. Hey. Y'all, we got our healthy book bags. Real healthy. Hey.
5 what?
5. It's on your
card. On the card.
Girl, know what the fuck? Give me my card back.
You not about to stress me out.
515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520, 521, 521. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, they cleaned.
Okay.
Oh, let's eat down.
Gosh.
I love this little doorway.
Yes.
It's a vibe. Let me see what the bathroom look like. Oh, this is eat. Okay. Simple, clean, smell good. Smell like bleach. Smell like Fabuloso. You know we gotta get some ice.
Oh, I'm gonna drink some ice.
Not too bad. Assuming it's a closet. Okay, cool. Make sure nobody in there. Check these beds, make they change the sheet. Look underneath them. Oh, so it's day 1 in Tampa. Nice upstairs. Look at the aesthetic in this. Just look at the aesthetic. It's so fucking cute in here. So gorgeous. Took some really good pictures. Y'all will see them on our social medias. I'm putting in the description below. I'm just so in awe of what this hotel looked like. It's just so beautiful in here. Like, it's really crazy. But we finally finna go get some breakfast. So, some brunch. So it's 11 o'clock. Breakfast. So we finna go get some food. And I'll meet you back at the table when we order. So we made it to the food place. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good as fucking Florida. Like, it's hot, but it's not hot to the point you feel like you can't breathe. Like, it's like a misty hot. And I'm loving it because it's making my skin look the fuck good. Like, ooh. Ooh, look at the body, Audie. Look at the body, Audie. Eating down, okay? Eating down. And then the trees that they have are really beautiful. Like, y'all, this is my first time out of my hometown, so I'm feeling myself. Eating down. Hey, eat down, eat down. Hey, hey, hey. He's singing. He is singing. He is singing. Y'all, that man over there eating up. Y'all better give him that y'all money. Better give him y'all money. Aesthetics is so cute in here. So our food is here, and it actually look good. It look good, but we finna see what it tastes like. Our food look definitely good. Our drinks are strong, I'll tell you that. They $25 per pitcher. So Let me tell you something. Oh, it ain't got no logo on the back, but the food was good. Look at my food, baby. The chicken tenders, 10 out of 10. The French toast, I will give it like a 6-7. I've had better, but the aesthetic was cute, so it gives it a plus. But overall, I'll say 8 out of 10. Only because that chicken tenders was a 10 out of 10. That shit was good as fuck. Okay, but we finna get ready and put on our swimsuits and go to this pool party. So I'll record some stuff there. So we walking across the street. Finna go get this man some money because he is performing his ass off and everybody just walking past him. We finna go support real bad. We support over here. Hey, 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 hey.
How much I love you. Please don't take sunshine away.
Be easy. Hey, 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 eat it up, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up, hey. Hey, hey.
Nothing else could come between love and lover. You have shadowed all of my dreams. Thank you. You are my sunshine. Holy sunshine, thank you.
You're welcome.
You make me happy.
Hey. He's doing his big one, y'all. My sunshine away. Hey. You hit sunshine. You hit sunshine. So we finna go get some. And we're going to this dispensary called Chillum. See what it's about. Why we walk past it? That's the taxi place. Atomic. So we just left the weed store, the dispensary, and she just told us they weed not really that good and she don't want us to get it because it's 10% and we need something, we need some over that. I don't really like edibles and all of that good stuff, but she gave me a free roll, so we finna see what it's about. We love free stuff. We love free stuff, okay? Finna try a new dispensary. It's called Curla Leaf. Let's see what they got in here.